Hi Sid, thank you for sending your files. I have your mock-up, okay, and the designs. Yeah, all right. So when I open your mock-up, this a thing that I did notice. Let me just close this black one. I guess you have changed the color and saved into multiple files. I guess so because everything has the same design. Yes. So you have changed the color and saved into multiple files. So I'll show you the issue in one file and then you can fix it by yourself. So let me first explain you how the process works for bulk mockup. So if you see, there's one layer named design change design here, and if you could see bottom right corner, there's one identification. This is a special top of layer which we call a smart object. You could see smart object thumbnail. So bulk mockup uses this smart object thumbnail to change your design, just like it says change design here. We'll just right click, click on replace content and select your design. This again will replace the designs on your mockup. Okay, I guess your design files are quite big in size. That's the reason it's taking a bit of time here. But you could see the designs have been replaced. Though it is enlarged. I will explain why it is enlarged. But before that, we'll fix why it is not working for you. So we'll Control Z, get back to where we were. Okay, so bulk mockup uses the smart object layer. But the thing is, if I open your mockup, there are multiple smart object layers. Multiple smart object layer. If you see, this one is for the hands, I guess. If I add a color, you'll see. So the bulk mockup is getting confused by this multiple smart object layer. You could change the color of this one. Again, this one is for this right hand side. So to fix this, what we need to do, apart from the main design that you are supposed to change, we'll have to rasterize the other layers. Right click, rasterize. Check all other layers where a smart object layer is present. We are not going to rasterize this one because this one and this one is related, if you see. Okay, so we'll not change this one. Colors, we need to check if there's any smart object layer. No smart object layer is there. Darken, no smart object layer is there. Now once all these extra smart objects are rasterized for sleeve right and left sleeve, we could go ahead and run bulk mockup. It would run flawlessly. The other thing to note is that I did notice, you know, first, if you are using it for your web purpose, this one is an extra suggestion. You could follow if you want. If not, you could move ahead. uh, if you are using this mockup for your website, if I could see, the image size is 3000 pixels, 3600 pixels, and the resolution is 300, and it's making your file somewhere around, see, 96 MB. This is not required. We not required so much high resolution for web purpose. For web purpose, you could change your resolution to 72, have the width somewhere around 2000 or perhaps 1600 pixels. Okay, and this is something standard web or the best quality mockup you could have for your web. So instead of going with 300 dpi, you could change it to 300. And if we save this, you could see the file size. Which one was it? Oh yes, baby YG blue. The size turns out to be 23 instead of 96 or 100 MBs. Okay, one my final thing, your design files. I checked your design files. This one is quite large. Okay, so the resolution here says 600 ppi, but if I double click this one, the current design that you are having, this one is the current design, it says 300 pixels. So it's better if you have this instead of 600 pixels. If you change this to 300, I guess that would be better. and that was the reason, because that was the reason that the design that we replaced, it was enlarged. We can go ahead and click on replace content, and if you use the ad, it would be somewhere around this one. It is enlarged again, but the what I mean to say is the resolution needs to match. The resolution of your design files, it was 600 ppi, and the resolution of this smart object layer, it was 300 ppi, pixels per inch. So there needs to be a match, both needs to be 300. And when you run, if your size are not consistent, all your design files are of different sizes, just go to file, script, and have this checked. Resize design files, have this checked, and file type, change it to png, and this would work flawlessly for you. Thank you for joining. Let me know if this works. If not, I'll help you out with some other methods, or I'll record another video. Thank you.